Sticking on the car stuff, how about this? A 1,073 horsepower Porsche Mission R previews the electric future of customer racing.
That's a really cool name.
Absolutely, because the original
Mission
concept
R.
was the Mission E, right?
Yeah.
And then they're like, well, R is always good. Actually, it
It's a good letter.
kind of still looks like my car, minus the rear doors and obviously the trunk, but the headlights and
the front
and in the hood and the shape around the front, the curves around the front two wheels. I like it. You know what? I like it. I can't get this either. This is just for, why did they say customer racing? What is that supposed to mean?
What do you mean?
In the headline, it said the electric future of customer racing.
So you can get it and put it on the course?
The electric Mission R concept is half the size of a 718 Cayman, but wider and lower, and it can hold its own with the 911 GT3 Cup car around the track. We're going to have to read a little bit more of this. Stay in the points there. 0 to 62 time, less than 2.5 seconds, top speed over 186 miles per hour, and it can recharge from 5 to 80% in 15 minutes. 900 volt electrical architecture. I'll take that too. The Mission R is currently a running prototype, not scheduled for production, but its development will continue with a fully realized version expected by 2025. Well, it's way off, way off. I like that charge speed maybe more than anything else. What did they say? 5 to 80% in 15 minutes? Is that what they said? 5 to 80% in 15 minutes.
You would need a crazy charger for that, right?
900 volt. Yeah, it's not going to be in here. You like
you don't want to install one?
Tear up the street to get that one in here. That is cool. A 429 horsepower unit on the front axle and a 644 horsepower motor powering the rear. Man, they're in it now.
How does this compare to the Rimac?
Look, even my Taycan is 800 volt electrical system. If I got the right charger, mine, you know what, Will? Let me tell you something, Will. Just for the sake of it, I'm going to seek out one of those chargers just to try it out and time it. Because they're around. I'm always charging over here. I haven't really had to. But I want to see at the max capacity of my car how fast it can recharge. Anyway, this one's even way cooler. 2025 race true competition car. Look at that thing. Good Lord.
You should take yours to the track.
Really? You're trying to get rid of me here, Will?
I want to take it to the track.
Go faster, Lou.
Yeah.
You gotta bring the VW. We go head to head.
Okay. Just let me talk to VW again. Rent it for a week.